gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah.
Love shooting live photos? Then the OPPO Reno 16 Pro might surprise you. It packs some seriously fun photography features, especially for live photos. So today, we're going hands-on with the OPPO Reno 16 series to see what makes it special.
Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from techiestreet. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content.
First, the design. OPPO has gone all out this time. The Reno 16 series introduces what it calls Menghe Planet aesthetics. The back uses the industry's first 3D crystal clear floating design, creating a naked eye 3D effect. At first glance, it almost looks unreal, but once your eyes adjust, it's seriously impressive. Under different lighting, the tiny planet-like patterns appear to float above the glass with a soft galaxy glow. It looks amazing in person. The rear panel is made from a single piece of cold carved glass, giving it a clean, transparent look and a smooth feel. The aluminum frame blends seamlessly into the back, making the phone very comfortable to hold. The standard Reno 16 has a compact 6.32-inch display and weighs just 191 grams, so it's light and easy to carry. The Reno 16 Pro gets a larger 6.78-inch flat display and weighs 208 grams, yet still feels great in hand. Both phones also offer full water resistance and highly slip-resistant glass on the front and back, making them feel reliable for everyday use. Now for the highlight, the cameras. The OPPO Reno 16 Pro features a powerful 200-megapixel main camera. The primary sensor is 200 megapixels, while the periscope telephoto, ultra-wide, and selfie cameras all use 50-megapixel sensors. The high resolution delivers excellent detail, and OPPO's upgraded Nature Tone Realism engine keeps portraits sharp while making skin tones look soft, bright, and natural. But the most fun part is easily the live photo experience. Besides standard live photos, you can turn 4K videos into live photos and even capture photos while recording video. If you love retro photography, you'll enjoy the Ink Film Live Photo mode. One tap adds a subtle grainy texture that feels warm and nostalgic, just like classic instant film. And the best part? No editing or third-party apps needed. You can also try creative styles like CCD Flash Live Mode and Flowing Film Live Mode. Each one gives your photos a completely different mood and personality. OPPO has upgraded the intelligent strobe flash. It automatically adjusts fill light based on focal length. Combined with the pop camera style in low light, it makes night portraits especially fun and helps you capture beautiful shots after dark. And the creativity continues even after you take the photo. Inside the gallery, the Reno 16 Pro adds more live photo editing tools, including the new Live Mode stickers. You can place images directly onto a live photo, add pictures from your gallery, and even use AI cutout to isolate subjects. Once you start adding stickers, doodles, and text, your live photo becomes something much more personal, a moving collage filled with memories and little moments, all inside a single image.
The Reno 16 Pro also upgrades its out-of-circle live photo collage, and honestly, it's addictive. Just pick a few photos, tap a couple of times, and you're done. You can even long press to enable the out-of-circle effect and adjust the direction yourself. It's simple, fun, and instantly makes your photos feel more alive. OPPO also introduced a cool accessory called the OPPO Bubble Selfie Screen. Normally, it's a decorative mini display, but when you start shooting, it becomes surprisingly useful. It lets you preview yourself using the rear camera in real time, so taking high-quality selfies is much easier. You can even see friends in the frame and adjust everyone's pose. It's practical and genuinely fun to use.
And the surprises don't stop with photography. Video recording and live streaming are excellent too. The Reno 16 Pro's 200-megapixel ultralight stabilized camera captures smooth, steady, and clear footage with ease. If you love live streaming, there's a built-in live streaming assistant. Turn it on and it improves stream resolution while optimizing battery, signal, and audio pickup. Everything works together to create a noticeably better streaming experience. Overall, the Reno 16 Pro gives you an incredible amount of creative freedom, especially for live photos. You can apply filters while shooting, and then use live stickers and editing tools afterward. It's easily one of the most fun phones for live photography right now. Performance is also impressive. The Reno 16 Pro runs on the Dimensity 9500S with OPPO's trendy engine, making gaming feel extremely smooth. It supports simultaneous 1.5K super resolution and 120Hz frame enhancement, so games look sharp and fluid with virtually no lag. Battery life is another big win. The phone packs a huge 7,000 mAh battery with 80-watt fast charging. In testing, 1 hour of TikTok used around 8%, another hour of Weibo used 8%, and 1 hour of 1080p video consumed just 6%. After 3 hours of light use, the battery had dropped only 22%, which is seriously impressive. Charging is just as good. Going from 1% to 100% takes only 57 minutes. Despite being rated at 7,000 mAh, it performs more like a 7,500 mAh battery in everyday use. On the software side, the Reno 16 Pro comes with ColorOS 16. Thanks to deep system optimization, everything feels smooth, whether you're scrolling through apps or multitasking. OPPO has also added an AI physical button on the left side, and it's actually very useful. One press can trigger AI one-click flash. See something interesting? Press the button, save it instantly, and get an AI-generated summary. If it's something like a travel guide, it can even provide quick navigation support. A long press starts voice recording for reminders and notes. You can organize everything you've saved and even continue interacting with it through AI conversations. The dedicated button makes AI feel simple and beginner-friendly. So, to wrap things up, the OPPO Reno 16 series is easily one of the most enjoyable live photo-focused phones available today. From standard shooting to pop camera mode, live photos are deeply integrated throughout the experience, and features like live stickers and live photo collage make editing and sharing even more fun. The base OPPO Reno 16 Pro starts at 3,499 yuan in China, which is roughly 383 pounds in the UK and around $516 in the US. Add in the unique 3D floating planet design, the handy AI button, and the polished software experience, and the Reno 16 series really stands out. That's it for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, everyone!